Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 1 of the October Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I need my card base, I need my die cut of 4 houses, I need the 3 trees, I need a banner and the sparkly banner and the Happy Holidays greeting. Now the first thing it says for us to do is do the greeting. So I'm just going to fold the card and put it out of the way, and instead of using my bone folder, I'm just going to use the edge of the block that comes with your first kit to really square up that edge. Now I've got a piece of scrap paper so that I can test the stamp before I use it on my project. So I'm just going to ink up the Happy Holidays like that, and then press it down. Oh, and it's got really good coverage. Excellent. Okay, so we are going to ink up again. Make sure it's got all the ink everywhere, and then we are going to pop this down on our banner. There we go. Happy Holidays. And I need to put some dimensionals on the back. So my sheet of dimensionals is here. So I need one there and one there. And then I need to take it and put it on the, actually I need to take this and I'm going to put 2 adhesive dots, one there and one there. And then I'm going to make sure that I can put that on there like that. When you're putting your dimensionals on, make sure they've put them far enough in that you're not going to come off the edge of the paper here. And we're going to, this one actually goes on a bit crooked, so we're going to do it like that. Okay, let's pop that off to the side for now. The next step says, in step 2, we take our houses, we flip them over, and we put dimensionals on them. One there, and one there, and then 6 down in the body of the card, or the die cut. So we'll just keep popping them down like that. Okay, and then I'm going to bring my card base back in again. And I'm going to peel all these off. Okay, pop them over there. And if you're ever struggling to take the backings off, just take your nail and push it in and it pops the edges right up for you. So there you go. And last one. Okay, so I need to place this basically so that this red roof is kind of under the moon and over the flowers there, and we can still see a bit of the trees. So do I put it right down at the bottom? Looks like I actually put it right down at the bottom. So we're going to line this up with the bottom of the card like that, and then just drop it down. So there we go. Okay, it does line up right along the bottom there. So the next step, it says, is to take the trees, and we're going to put dimensionals on the back of the trees as well. So you need to pay attention to where the dimensionals are in the instructions, because sometimes it can make a difference where you've placed them based on what else is going on the card as well. Okay, so now we need to stick these down. Okay, this one goes here towards the bottom and like that. Okay, tall one goes in the middle. There we go. And it goes right between the 2 houses in line with the roof, just a little bit over like this. We just still want to see the houses, so like that. And then this little one goes over here in front of this house, like this. Okay, now comes the fun part. We've got our glitter glue. Let me put the greeting on first. I'm just going to peel the backings off the sticky dots, adhesive dots, and we're going to put this up like this. There we go. And so I'm going to take the lid off the glitter glue. I haven't tried this yet, and I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out just to see how fast it comes out. Okay, it's pretty good. And what we have to do, it shows this as being a gray outline, and there's actually in the picture there's gray outlines around all the roofs. So we are going to do our glitter glue along the roof lines like this. There's kind of a blue line that you can follow along there. Okay, my lines are not super spiffy straight, but I'm going to keep an even squeeze on the bottle. I've got too much there, so I'm just going to see if I can just kind of straighten it out. And then we have to put the glitter glue just around the houses there. And we're putting it up and over the roof line on this one, like this. And then around like this. I can already see the sparkle. It's really pretty. Okay, and then we've got to do the little roof here. So I'm going to start at this peak here and come back up this side and across the top, and then just finish up on this side like that, and then come back down here and here. So you can kind of go back and forth to smoosh it around if you need to. I'm just going to make sure there's none on the trees, and there's none on the trees. So that is our first project from the October 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Really, really pretty card. I love all the sparkle. So I'm going to put this one aside to dry, and let's do project 2 in the next video.